Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm really excited. Today we're going to have a huge Dollar Tree haul, and some things are new finds for me. So let's get started. This is in no particular order. Let's just jump in and I'll show you what all I found. I was busy. Our state has opened up now, so I could not wait to go to Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I found. The first thing is this. It's just this little, it's got the buffalo check and it says kitchens are made for families to gather. And this is already pretty much farmhouse, but I have some ideas about what I want to do with that. So, good find. And this was a new find for me, okay? So, I'll just put that there. Then I found these little windmills that say welcome. And I haven't seen these, I don't think, anymore, and they have this little chain. Sometimes my Dollar Trees get in a little bit of a dry spell, but I found this, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. I think this would make a wonderful farmhouse DIY. Okay, and then I picked up, I think I have 2 of these somewhere, but anyway, I think I have 2 packages of these, but I love these. This is not new. Then I went ahead and picked up 2 more of these little fences from the Dollar Tree. I think they're so pretty and you can do so much with them. And then I picked up some of this foam board, but in the black. Have an idea for that. And then the crafter square little wood. This just says home. I picked this up. And now I've hauled this before, but I went ahead and picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little things right here. The little slats. Picked up 6 of those. Now this is new. I had never seen this in there before. It just looks almost like a palette, really. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of these, okay? So that was definitely a new find. Then I picked up one of these. This isn't new. I've seen this before, but I thought it was really pretty with the diamond in that and then the cutouts on the side. So I picked this up. Now these are new to me. They had 4 patterns, but I only got 3. Here is this one. Right like that. I hope you can see. It's got like the flowers. They're wood. Then this one had a butterfly. I thought that was really pretty. And then I went ahead and picked this up as well. So that is new to me. Then when I was in their teaching part, I found this banner art paper, but it looks just so farmhouse to me. I mean, look at that. Hope you can see. Just looks like old wood grain. So I picked up one of those. And then I picked up some of these little poster stencils in the black. And then I finally found the contact paper that's clear that I can use with my Cricut. I'm so happy. So I picked up one of these. And then I saw this, and it just looks like wood to me. So I picked that up. And then I picked up this lighter wood color one as well. I think that's really pretty. And then I picked this up, Find Me at the Beach. It's a really pretty sign, and it has the rope on it, and then it has the rope right in here, and the anchor. I think that is really pretty. But you could do a lot with this. And then I thought these were adorable. More summer, please. And it has the little leaves with the glitter on them. They're so pretty. And it has this strawberry that's already cut out. It's dimensional. And then this is all glitter, and this is glitter, and that's glitter. And then it has the little raspberries and looks like pomegranate with the straw. I just think this is adorable. So I picked up 2 of these. And now this is new to me, Crafter Square, these little stencils that look so farmhouse with the apron right here and the rolling pin and then the mitt and then the fork and the spoons and this old-timey pot, or it could be new, cutting board. And then that looks like a mason jar. So I loved finding these. And then I hadn't seen these particular butterflies before from Crafter Square. This was where their stickers are. And these are really big, as you can see. I mean, they're pretty big. And I love the sizes and the colors, especially this one right here. I love that. And I did get another one of these, another pack of these. And then I picked this up. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything with it or not. It's just these shape decor sheets. You could use it in a planner. You could do a lot with it, really. And then I picked up these key tags. I thought I might have something that I can do with that. And then I picked up 3 of these little 3x5x5 picture frames that are silver. I just went ahead and got 3 of these. You could always use these. And then I picked this up, this little basket with the handle. It looks so farmhouse, so cute. I love it. And then I picked up 3 of these little baskets like this. I have an idea. So I have 3 of these, and I like the ribbing on here. I think they would give a good vintage look. And then a long time ago, you might remember I hauled the white metallic marker from Crafter Square. Well, this one is the gold, and I really do like that. Then I picked me up another charger from there, and this one's in gold. You could spray paint it. You can do so much with this. And then I'm saving some things for the last. Then I picked up 2 sets of rulers. You can always use this for wood, okay? And then I picked up another one of these little cutting boards that are white. And then I picked up one of these clipboards from Jot. And then I picked up 4 of these metal rulers, okay? You can do a lot with this. So we have 4 of these metal rulers. And then I picked up 4 of these Crafter Square large glue sticks. So I'm excited to check these out and see what they are like. I always use Gorilla Glue, and it holds wonderfully. Then I picked just the top up of this. I didn't really want the bottom. I should have picked it up as well. And it's a dark chocolate brown, but it just has all those kind of openings in there, and I liked it. And I picked up this cutting board. It's more oval, well, like square. So I like that with the softer edges. Then I picked up one of these little cooling racks from the Dollar Tree. Then I picked up 7 of these Jenga blocks. I have been trying so hard to find these Jenga blocks, and I have been unsuccessful because my Dollar Trees just didn't have them. Well, they had them, so I picked up, like I said, 6. Now, I'm saving this for the last. These are new finds. When I was in there, I saw, and I wish I had gotten them, but I didn't get them, some picture frames, and they had like corrugated metal like right in here, and I knew I should have gotten them. I went back, gone, okay? But I got these, and these are so pretty. I hope you can see. Looks like wooden planks, and then this just says, live for the moment in here, and you're supposed to put a picture frame, and it has a little clip right here. And I love the detail right here of this, like a little screw. These look so farmhouse. I got some in the dark brown. Then I got some in this really pretty grayish color. And it says Faith, Family, and Friends. And this one's kind of crooked. I guess I should have looked better. It's warped. Then I got some in this cream, and it says Forever and Always. And they hold a 4x6 picture. So I got 4 of the cream, but this one is warped again. You really need to check these before you get them. So that concludes everything that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. I have a lot of ideas for DIYs. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this haul. I had so much fun. I love to go to Dollar Tree. They have such great deals and you can do so much with them. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you a part of our family. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell and set it to all. And that way you'll be notified every time I upload a video because you're not going to want to miss out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.